Hey guys, so I decided I'm gonna vlog my day today, and I'm in Grand Haven with my brother and his girlfriend, Brianna. You guys have seen Brianna before. But Nate, my brother's at work right now, and me and Brianna are going to a flower field today in Holland to take pictures. But right now she's making crepes, and we haven't tried them before, so we're excited for that. And then we're gonna go walk on the nature trail, come back and get ready, and then go to Holland. And then we're gonna go to a restaurant out in Holland, which is her favorite. It's called Beechwood Grill. So I'm excited for that too. And then we'll probably go to another beach later to watch sunset because it's a really nice day today. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. I'm eating a yogurt right now. First crepe failed.
Oh, no.
This one might fail.
I'm trying.
But she's never made crepes before. Guys, crepes was a fail.
What if I put a lid on it? Let me try it.
I just made Nutella toast with bananas on it instead. And she's just gonna eat when we come back from the walk. So we just got ready for the nature trail. I'm wearing a zip-up, leggings, white socks, white shoes.
I'm wearing my joggers, my tennis shoes, and also a Nike zip-up.
So we just got to the trail and we're about to start. We're taking the longer way this time. This is only my second time coming on the trail. We were just up there. Now we're walking down and it's gonna lead us to the beach. We finished at the trail. We're back home. She's about to eat something. I'm gonna get ready and she's gonna get ready. And then we're gonna go to the flower festival. Guys, I'm eating this peanut butter chocolate Quest bar and she just tried it. Rate it 1 to 10.
I suck at rating. I would say 7.
Okay, solid. Guys, I just randomly saw people on parachutes in the sky. Got ready for photos. Sorry. And so here's my dress. It's like a jean dress from Old Navy. And then Birkenstocks. Curled my hair and brushed it out. Got my necklace from Shein. Earrings from Shein. Probably these two. This is my new phone case, and I also got my nails done yesterday. So, yeah. All right, Bree's ready now.
Okay, so got the Converse, American Eagle jeans, Shein bodysuit, Shein purse. Okay, so we're on our way to the Tulip Festival. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is backed up. So we're gonna be here a while, but it'll be worth it, right?
Yes. Okay guys, we're finally in. see. Got my bucket hat on. We were just taking pics. So we're done at the tulip garden and now we're waiting for like an hour for this restaurant we are at. We're getting ice cream right now while we're waiting for the restaurant. Okay guys, we got our food. I got chicken, like pesto tomato chicken with broccoli and a Caesar salad.
I got one of my favorite things, the Reuben.
So we went home and got changed and now we're going to watch the sunset with my brother at Grand Haven Beach, Lake Michigan. Forgot the name of it for a minute.